Water is the essence of life. We rely on it daily, but how can we ensure that the water we consume is pure and safe, especially using natural methods at home? Today, we will explore simple yet effective techniques to naturally purify your water, ensuring every sip is as refreshing as it should be. Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you are passionate about health, wellness, and sustainable living, you are in the right place. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let us start with one of the oldest and most trusted methods: boiling. Bringing water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute effectively kills bacteria, viruses, and parasites, making it safe to drink. At altitudes above 2,000 meters, it is recommended to boil for 3 minutes due to lower boiling points. Next up is activated charcoal filtration. Activated charcoal is a form of carbon processed to have small, low-volume pores that increase the surface area available for adsorption. This means it can effectively trap impurities, such as chlorine and volatile organic compounds, improving the taste and odor of water. You can find activated charcoal in many commercial water filters or create your own filtration system at home. Another ingenious method is solar water disinfection, commonly known as SODIS. This technique utilizes solar energy to inactivate harmful pathogens in water. By filling clear PET bottles with water and exposing them to direct sunlight for at least 6 hours, the combined effect of UV radiation and increased temperature can disinfect the water. This method is especially useful in areas with abundant sunlight and limited resources. For those who enjoy hands-on projects, creating a DIY sediment filter is both educational and practical. By layering materials like gravel, sand, and activated charcoal in a container, you can mimic natural filtration processes. Water passes through these layers, which trap particles and impurities, resulting in clearer water. Remember, while this method improves clarity and taste, it may not remove all pathogens, so consider combining it with other purification methods like boiling or SODIS. Ceramic filters are another excellent natural option. These filters have tiny pores that can remove bacteria and protozoa from water. They are reusable and can be cleaned multiple times, making them cost-effective and sustainable. Ensure you follow the manufacturer's instructions for maintenance to keep them functioning effectively. Collecting and purifying rainwater is a sustainable way to access clean water. By setting up a rainwater harvesting system, you can collect runoff from your roof into a storage tank. It is essential to filter and purify this water before consumption, as it may contain contaminants from the collection surface. Combining sediment filtration with methods like boiling or activated charcoal filtration can make rainwater safe to drink. Lastly, ultraviolet (UV) purification is a chemical-free method that uses UV light to deactivate microorganisms. Portable UV purifiers are available and can treat small batches of water quickly. However, it is crucial to pre-filter the water to remove any particles that could shield microbes from the UV light. Ensuring access to clean and safe drinking water is fundamental to our health and well-being. By applying these natural purification methods, you can take control of your water quality at home. Always consider the source of your water and choose the method that best suits your needs. Remember, some methods are more effective than others at removing specific contaminants, so combining techniques may provide the best results. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy and sustainable living.